Coming up, a Christmas attraction is here to spread the holiday cheer. Again, we'll tell you where in moments. Plus, a new look for Schunior Street in Edinburgh, those details ahead. And a transgender man is clarifying common misconceptions about transitioning. What he has to say, KVAQ-TV starts now. Hey there, vaqueros. Welcome back to this semester's last edition of KVAQ-TV. I'm Jessica Maya. Today is Monday, November 29, and at the top of the hour, tis the season to be jolly. A new family-friendly Christmas attraction has opened its doors to the public. Our reporter, Ruben Loza, is at the Holiday Village. Ruben, what's it like there?
Jessica, it's a winter wonderland here at Dean Porter Park as they kick off this year's Holiday Village. Jolly music, food, and a special appearance by Santa Claus himself are a few things you can expect.
The Holiday Village is a series of homes and cottages that were created by local organizations and businesses that are decorated with the holiday spirit throughout Dean Porter Park.
Brownsville Convention and Visitors Bureau Manager Monica Tellum states that this year's Holiday Village will have over 35 Christmas cottages sponsored by local businesses for people to enjoy and take photos.
On Fridays and Saturdays, they can expect to see Santa Claus and get some free photos taken with him.
Mother of 3 Girl Scouts, Alison Acosta, shares her excitement as she helps bring to life one of the Christmas cottages.
We have so many different cottages representing so many different things within our community, and it's a great way for families to be able to come together and celebrate the holidays and enjoy being out with something that doesn't cost them anything to do.
There will also be a giveaway available for guests who find the elf on the shelf in one of the cottages. Tellum encourages the community to social distance, wear face masks, and get vaccinated. The Holiday Village is located at Dean Porter Park in the city of Brownsville. They will be operating from November 22nd to the 1st of January starting at 6 p.m. Reporting for KVAQ-TV in Brownsville, Ruben Loza. Happy holidays!
Schunior Street may soon be free of traffic blockages near UTRGV's Edinburgh campus. Our reporter Carla Valenzuela is on location with details. Carla?
Jessica, in a few months, the street behind me will look different and be safer for drivers and pedestrians. The City of Edinburgh is collaborating with UTRGV to announce the groundbreaking Schunior Street reconstruction project. The project is the result of the 2018 bond vote, during which residents approved $30 million for drainage and street projects. Edinburgh City Manager Ron Garza says the reconstruction is to make travel more efficient, whether in a vehicle or on foot.
On Schunior Road, Schunior Street, from Jackson all the way to Nevada Street, it's going to be a boulevard style. And then after the railroad tracks, it's going to turn back into the regular 4-lane, but that's also going to be repaved all the way to Closner. You're going to have a beautiful median, 8-foot sidewalks. There's also going to be upgraded street lights. Ultimately, the main purpose is to keep everybody safe.
Garza adds that UTRGV will contribute $350,000 towards the project's funding. Construction began on November 15th and is expected to be completed by August 27th, 2022. Reporting for KVAQ-TV, Carla Valenzuela.
48 transgender women and men have been shot or killed by other violent means in the U.S., according to the Human Rights Campaign. A local transgender man shares some of the obstacles transitioning and common misconceptions.
I always felt a little different. Growing up, I was always more into boy things instead of girl things.
Ricky Kingen shares his experience coming out to his family.
So my mom's side of the family took it very well. My dad's side of the family they are still struggling. That's the nicest way I can put it.
Kingen expresses the biggest misconception in the transgender community has been going to the restroom.
I can say for the 99% of the transgender community, we just want to go to the restroom. We are not trying to infect your children. We are not trying to persuade you to change.
Kingen would like to share a message to the community.
We just would really like the violence to stop. It's very discerning. It's very scary to walk out of your house not knowing if you'll come back home to your family. any type of pronoun, just respecting their pronoun, respecting who they are, not denying who they are when they come out. And a lot of the teen suicide would also stop.
That's all for today. For KVAQ-TV, I'm Jessica Maya. Stay safe, vaqueros, and happy holidays.